I need a good tarp for doing yard work. This is the Cartman 8 foot by 10 foot tarp. It's got these tie downs on the side so you can use it to cover things up. Has these reinforced corners to give it extra strength. I use this for pulling all of this grass out of the back of my truck. Super strong material here. It's not ripping. It's really strong, and I've been using this for multiple trips now, and I've been really impressed with how well it's held up, especially when sticks have been poking into it. It's really strong. It doesn't tear. It's very thick compared to other tarps out there. And this stick is fairly sharp and it doesn't poke through the tarp. I've had really thin tarps and the sticks have just poked right through them. This is perfect for my full-size truck to be able to fill it up with all this stuff and then pull out on the other end. I even dragged the tarp across my lawn with a bunch of stuff on it and it didn't rip, tear, any issues like that. Really impressed with this Cartman tarp. So if you're looking for a good tarp to have for around the yard, I recommend you get this one here.